Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. Many people want to learn English, but many people feel stuck. They study for months, sometimes for years, but they feel they are not improving. They learn grammar rules, they memorize vocabulary, but when they try to speak, they feel afraid and confused. If you feel like this, you are not alone. This problem happens to many English learners around the world. Today, I will show you a very simple and powerful method. Read English for 30 minutes every day. You do not need expensive courses. You do not need long grammar books. You only need consistency, simple English, and the right habit. Stay with me till the end of this video because today I will show you how reading for 30 minutes every day can quietly and naturally turn you into a confident English speaker. Learning English is a dream for many people around the world. Some people want to learn English for a job. Some people want to learn English for education. Some people want to learn English for travel, and some people want to learn English to feel confident in society. But many learners think that English is very difficult. They say, I don't have time. They say, I'm afraid to speak. They say, my grammar is weak. Today, I want to tell you one simple truth. You do not need many hours every day to learn English. You only need 30 minutes daily with the right method. Read English 30 minutes daily. This is not just a sentence, this is a powerful habit. This is a life changing routine. Why 30 minutes daily is enough? Many people believe that to learn English they must study for many hours, but this is not true. Learning a language is not about studying too much in one day. It is about practicing a little every day. Think about exercise. If you go to the gym one day and exercise for 5 hours, your body will hurt. But if you exercise 30 minutes daily, your body becomes strong, slowly and naturally. The same rule applies to English. When you practice English 30 minutes daily, your brain becomes familiar with English words. Your ears become familiar with English sounds. Your tongue becomes comfortable speaking English. Your fear slowly disappears. Your confidence slowly grows. This is called consistency. Consistency is more important than intensity. Simple daily effort brings big results. How reading helps you speak English? Some people ask, how can reading English help me speak English? The answer is simple. When you read English, you see correct sentences, you learn new words, you understand how grammar works, you learn how people express ideas. Reading is like food for your brain, speaking is like exercise for your mouth. If you only speak and never read, your English will be weak. If you only read and never speak, your English will be silent. You must combine both. Reading gives you knowledge. Speaking gives you confidence. Daily 30 minutes English routine. Now let's talk about the most important part. What should you do in your 30 minutes every day? Your routine must include four skills: reading, vocabulary, speaking, writing. Let's divide your 30 minutes into parts. Part 1, Reading 10 minutes. For the first 10 minutes, you should read English. What should you read? Simple English stories, short articles, news in easy English, textbook paragraphs, subtitles of English videos. How should you read? Read slowly, read aloud. Try to understand the meaning. Do not translate every word. Focus on sentences, not only words. Example, you read this paragraph. I wake up early every day. I drink water and exercise. Then I study English for 30 minutes. I want to improve my English and become confident. Read it 2 or 3 times. Listen to your own voice. Your brain will remember the pattern of sentences. Part 2 Vocabulary 5 minutes. For the next 5 minutes, learn new words. Every day, learn only 5 new words. Write them in a notebook. Example Confidence. Believe in yourself. Sentence I speak English with confidence. Practice. Do something again and again. Sentence I practice English every day. Improve. Become better. Sentence I want to improve my English. Habit something you do daily. Sentence reading is my habit. Goal something you want to achieve. Sentence my goal is to speak English. 5 words a day may look simple, but in 1 month you will learn 150 words. Part 3 Speaking Practice 10 minutes. This is the most important part of your routine. Many learners read and write, but they do not speak. That is why they understand English but cannot speak. You must speak every day, even if you are alone. How can you practice speaking? You can speak in front of a mirror, talk to yourself, record your voice, speak with a friend. Part 4 Writing Practice 5 minutes. Writing helps you think in English. Every day, write 5 simple sentences. Example I read English for 30 minutes today. I learned new words. I practiced speaking. I feel more confident. Your mindset is very important. Do not say, I cannot learn English. Say, I am learning English. Do not say, I am weak in English. Say, I am improving every day. Confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. 30 days result. If you follow this routine for 30 days, you will understand more English. You will know many new words. You will speak simple sentences. You will feel more confident. Reading English 30 minutes daily is not a magic trick. It is a habit. It is a discipline. It is a promise to yourself. If you practice daily, your English will improve. Your confidence will grow. Your future will change. Say this with me. I will read English every day. I will practice English every day. I will become a confident English speaker. Thank you for watching this video. Never give up. See you in the next lesson. Please subscribe to my channel.